Welcome to our Countertop Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher and the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Both of these compact dishwashers are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or apartments. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher offers a generous 4-place settings, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Farberware model has a smaller capacity of 2-place settings, which may require more frequent loading for larger families or gatherings. This difference can be a crucial factor for those who need to wash more dishes at once. In terms of cleaning performance, the Hermitlux has received praise for its effective cleaning capabilities and quiet operation. Users appreciate its ability to handle various types of dishes with ease. On the other hand, the Farberware model has mixed reviews, with some users reporting issues with leaks and inconsistent cleaning results. This could impact your overall satisfaction with the product. Both dishwashers come equipped with modern features, but they differ in some key aspects. The Hermitlux features a glass door that allows users to monitor the wash cycle easily, while the Farberware model includes an LED display for clear visibility of the settings. Both have touch controls, but the additional visibility of the Hermitlux may enhance user experience. In conclusion, both the Hermitlux and Farberware countertop dishwashers offer unique advantages. The Hermitlux stands out with its larger capacity and consistent cleaning performance, while the Farberware offers versatility in wash cycles. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product